Hello, let us solve one question from GATE 2021 Mathematics Complex Analysis. The question is let R be the set such that Z is equal to x plus iy belongs to complex span such that 0 less than x less than 1 and minus 11 pi less than y less than 11 pi. And gamma be the positive oriented boundary of R, then the value of the integral 1 by 2 by I e to the power z by e to the power z minus 2 dz is equal to dash. We solve this question by argument principle theorem. State that the condition 1 is if f is an analytic function inside and on a closed curve gamma, and condition 2 is f does not vanish on the curve B, and if f has zeros inside the closed curve gamma, then the integral 1 by 2 by I f dash z by fz is equal to n minus p, where n is equal to number of zeros of f inside gamma and p is equal to number of poles of f inside gamma. Here we have to find the integral of 1 by 2 by I e to the power z by e to the power z minus 2 dz over a region R. Here the given region R is equal to z is equal to x plus iy such that the real z x is greater than 0 and less than 1 and the imaginary z y greater than minus 11 pi less than 11 pi. If we plot the graph, then the graph will be for x 0 1, this is 11 pi, this is minus 11 pi. So the region will be the rectangle R, and the boundary gamma will be the, since the curve is positively oriented, so it will be anti-clockwise direction, so the boundary will gamma. Now take fz is equal to e to the power z minus 2, which is analytic inside the curve gamma and also on the curve gamma, and f dash z is equal to e to the power z. So 1 by 2 pi I e to the power z by e to the power z minus 2 is equal to n minus p by argument principle theorem. Here n is equal to number of zeros of e to the power z minus 2 and p is equal to number of poles of e to the power z minus 2. Here clearly e to the power z minus 2 is entire function, so p is equal to 0, that is e to the power z minus 2 has no poles. Now we have to find number of zeros of e to the power z minus 2 inside gamma. Take e to the power z minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that e to the power z is equal to 2, and this implies that e to the power z is equal to, this implies that z is equal to ln 2, and we know that ln x plus I y is equal to ln x square plus y square square root plus minus 2n pi I. Here z is equal to ln 2, this is equal to ln 2 plus minus 2n pi I, where n belongs to n. Now take n is equal to 0, then z0 is equal to ln 2, which belongs to the region R. For n is equal to 1, then z1 is equal to ln 2 plus 2 pi I, and z2 is equal to ln 2 minus 2 pi I, both are belongs to the region R. Similarly for n is equal to 2, we have ln 2 plus minus 4 pi I belongs to R. For n is equal to 3, we have 20 ln 2 plus minus 6 pi I belongs to R. For n is equal to 4, we have 20 ln 2 plus minus 8 pi I belongs to R. For n is equal to 5, we have 20 ln 2 plus minus 10 pi I belongs to R. For n is equal to c, we have 20 ln 2 plus minus 12 pi I not belongs to R because the imaginary part of the Z is between minus 11 pi to 11 pi. But here the imaginary part is 12 pi, which not belongs to the region. So we have 11 zeros inside the core gamma. So n is equal to 11, and previously we find that p is equal to 0. So the integral value of 1 by 2 pi I e to the power z by e to the power z minus 2 dz is equal to 11. So for this question, the numerical answer will be 11. Thank you.